Jessica. The raccoon's braiding her hair.
Oh yeah. Yep.
You know the raccoon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jessica. Happy birthday to you. Yom Holedet Sameach. Yom Holedet Sameach. Yom Holedet Sameach. Yom Holedet Sameach. And many more from Channel 4.
Big wish. Big blow. Big blow. All right. Yay. All right.
Well,
They were tricky because they didn't want to stay lit.
Look what I did.
What you did, Jessica. Oh my goodness, you gotta lick that. Oh my goodness.
Pocahontas. Okay, you get.
She's licking the mud. She played in the mud and now she's licking the mud.
It's ice.
Eitan. Hi, Eitan. Rebecca, go to the front of the line.
What?
Let Rebecca go to the front of the line. She hasn't done it yet.